All the best. Start your game.
Hell, man.
D4, knight f6, knight f3 is not the theory. Waste.
I don't follow theory ways.
B6, C4, E3, D5.
Calmly pressing the clock today.
Knight C3, E6. No wonder I don't know which opening. Sorry.
Queen's Indian,
I don't know, bros. Not from black especially. Takes. D takes C4, bishop takes C4. What?
Her name?
Shrika. Yeah. Rook E1 played by Shrika, knight B7, bishop D3. And Shrika is aiming for H7 pawn, rook E8 played by Guhan.
She tricks her. I don't do Arushi.
Tell the one who is the queen of it. E4 played by Shrika. C takes D4, C takes D4 and E5. Grabbing the center. Shrika casually giving the center away. Bishop B5 played by Shrika. Bishop takes E4. Blunder. D takes E5. Bishop takes F3. Queen takes F3. Rook takes E8. Takes E8. E5. Sorry. Commentator having some problems. Before rook into B5, missed by Shrika. Guhan laughing it out. Shrika cursing herself.
You shut up or I'll slap you.
Shrika taking her anger on others. Rook D1 played by her. B2.
Again you started back the clock.
Again you bang the clock, it's a warning. Guhan, be careful, don't blunder your king rook on 8.
Chibricks always work, okay? Shut up.
I am shocked. Bishop and F6.
That's what I said. Chibricks always work.
I literally said the rook on 8. Queen takes F6. Played
No,
by-
what? The hell?
What?
Are you crazy? Why would you do that?
Queen takes 8. Knight F8.
Why did you do
You
that?
see the target over there?
This I see. I'm not
Yeah,
blind.
you see,
That
Kasi.
much I'm not blind. That much I
The
am
queen
not
F3
blind.
back.
Cheap tricks don't work on me. I mean, they do, but okay.
They do work on others. Queen takes F3. She takes F3. Rook F3. Oh my god, Guhan. You're stupid than I thought. What? Rook E8? I thought rook E3.
Even I thought rook e3, but it's fine. Wait. Have some other plans.
The knight on F8 is crying. Rook takes A3. Rook D8. G6 takes.
Why would you blend it?
Both the rooks have fallen down. Shrika.
You play once more before I press it.
Whose
I'll
turn
slap
is
you.
it, bro?
It's my turn. He pressed it before I play.
Okay. Rook E8. B5 pushing the pawn. Rook takes F3 by Guhan. King G2. Rook F6 or Rook F5.
Losing.
Sangam is coming to look at the game. Spectators.
Spectating.
That's what I said, spectators. Rook E3. Shrika does not know how to win the game.
Can you shut up?
Sorry. F5. Played by Guhan. Let me remind you, Guhan is full rook down. Not fully, but he's 2 points down. And rook. I thought he'll take rook into H7. Okay, rook
This
B7.
also works. Even I thought rook into h7 and then this, but this works better. I'm scared to do that.
Guhan thinking, regretting his life decisions. Rook G1. Rook G4.
Hey, you backed
You
the
backed the vlog one more time, no? F3, rook H4. King G3, rook G4.
Slap you.
The old dialogue. King F3. Sangam is coming again to suspend. Oh man. H1, G5. Shrika does not know how to progress. K1. Rook takes H2.
A very, very interesting move.
Rook takes A5.
Your
E5.
assurance was enough, so my heart skipped a beat.
King G3. Rook H3. King G2. H5. Check. King moves. Let's see the time control. Can't really see it.
Arushi, enough.
I can't see the time control, bro.
Slap you if you don't shut up. Gohan, you did it almost, bro.
What made?
Shrika is not well. Shrika.
What?
Keep quiet, bro.
He blundered checkmate. You didn't record that, you idiot.
Sorry. What is this? Excuse me. What's your rating?
Huh?
What's your rating? What's your rating?
Unrated.
What's your
My
rating?
foot unrated. He's 1-6.
Oh my god, what is this, Guhan? You're 1-6.
I want revenge match.